Hello friends. Today, I'm going to explain how to use our WhatsApp sender software. With this software, you can send WhatsApp messages in bulk using your own WhatsApp number. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the dashboard. Upload mobile numbers. You have two options for uploading the mobile numbers you want to send messages to. You can either upload an Excel file or copy-paste the numbers manually. Message box. In the message box, you can type your message or copy-paste it. There is no character limit. Add poll. You can add a poll button to your message. Time delay. Set the time delay between messages according to your requirements. Upload media. Add media to your messages, including images, PDFs, and videos. Once you've set everything up, just click on Start Campaign and your campaign will begin, sending all the messages you've prepared. Our software offers a variety of features to enhance your WhatsApp marketing. Get group members, retrieve data from group members, grab WhatsApp group links, extract WhatsApp group links from web pages. WhatsApp autoresponder, set up automatic replies for incoming messages. Contact list, easily gather and manage contact lists. Google Map Data Extractor, extract data for any location or city from Google Maps. Auto Group Joiner, automatically join WhatsApp groups. WhatsApp Number Filter, filter out WhatsApp and non-WhatsApp numbers. Grab active group members, collect data of active members in groups. Grab Chat List, access your WhatsApp chat list. Bulk Add Group Members, add multiple members to groups at once. Group Finder, find relevant WhatsApp groups based on your criteria. Bulk Group Generator, create multiple groups in bulk. Google Contacts CSV Generator, generate a CSV file of your Google contacts. Website and Email Extractor, extract website and email data. WhatsApp Warmer, improve your message delivery rates by warming up your WhatsApp number. Get poll results, retrieve and analyze the results from your polls. Social Media Data Extractor, extract data from LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and Telegram. Scheduler, plan and schedule your WhatsApp campaigns in advance. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and tutorials. Visit our website or contact us through the number provided in the description below.